Hey YouTube, this is my first video, so you kind of have to bear with me here. I'm gonna show everybody my Woodland Mills HM122 sawmill. Been using it for about a month and a half or so, and I want to kind of start doing some videos about my sawmilling, and I had some videos that I was going to post up that I took of the sawmill running, my daughter running it, and my wife, but YouTube wouldn't let me, for some reason, upload the videos, so I guess I'm going to do it this way. And before you guys say anything, it's a mess. I got to figure out what to do with all the scraps. I don't use firewood, and I just don't want to burn a big brush pile or anything, but let me show you what I got here. This is the sawmill. It's got the Kohler Command Pro 7 horsepower. It does what I need to do just fine. And let's try to back up. That's the whole setup right there. But here's some stuff I've been saving. Like I said, it's messy. Some stuff I've been saving, maybe use it for a wall inside the house or something. But here's all the scraps I was talking about. Don't know what I'm going to do with all that. Got quite a bit of it. And got my new blades up there. Something I just noticed. Bird's nest there. And I got a little one over there, it looks like. But I got some sitting over here. And most of my lumber, I have some scrappy kind of stuff that when I first got the sawmill, it was a little different trying to figure it out and get it all leveled, and it really ain't perfect now by no means. It's kind of just pieces of scrap wood and a pallet that it came on, and kind of holding her up there. But so far I've only changed one blade. I got 4 more, and it ain't too bad. I've cut a lot of wood with it. I got a stack of lumber back there. It don't look big from the picture, but there's a pretty good stack of it. And I got some sitting off the side of the building over here, but I ain't gonna walk over here because snakes are out, and I don't feel like getting snake bit. But yeah, this is my sawmill. It's I didn't put the little brackets on there because I didn't feel like it. I was too excited. So it does vibrate a little bit, but it seems to stay tracked just exactly the way I want it to. It is dirty. I need to clean it. I need to clean a lot of stuff, but it runs like a champ. Can't, for the price, can't beat it. The only thing I wish I had was the feet that would go right in here and come down here, and you could adjust it and make fine-tune adjustments. But not with this model. You don't get that. And I wish I had got the model up from this, but for what kind of money I had to work with, this is perfect. Maybe one day I'll upgrade, but Woodland Mills is probably about the only sawmill I'll ever own, since this one's done me so good so far. It cuts like it cuts smooth. It don't leave real bad lines. I was using the chainsaw mill before I bought this. This is what got me started into it. Something about opening up a log is just being the first person to see the wood grains is just there's just something about it. So I wanted to buy a real sawmill. Well, not that that's not real, but something a little bit bigger, a little faster. I got my own building projects I'm gonna work on. Hopefully have some buildings put up and get rid of this metal building here, and and maybe build me a wooden one. Some doors on it, since thieves seem to be on the rise around here. But like I said, the yard's messy and the building's messy, so you know, it happens. But yeah, guys, that's my sawmill, and there's part of my house, my trailer. Hoping to upgrade that here soon too. It costs a little more to upgrade that than it does sawmill, but that's where I'm at right now. I'll be trying to post some more videos of the sawmill itself cutting. I do have a small business that I'm hoping to get up and running here, but with the sawmill, and I got a trailer. It don't have no floor in it, and I got to work on that. I'm going to end up putting the sawmill on that trailer, and but yeah, I'm going to try to get some more videos for you guys, and I don't really know what else to say today. I got to go out to Crossville and get my kids and my wife, but so I ain't doing no cutting today. Ain't done nothing in about a week. So I'll upload a new video as soon as I can, probably sometime this weekend. I gotta get some logs up here and get them set up. But well, all right, guys, take care. Enjoy this wonderful weather we're having.